Let's create a course app in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So first of all, open the App Inventor website and click on new project, and my app name is course app. Okay, and you can create any type of course app like WordPress course app Inventor course app, or any type of course. Okay, so here this is my dashboard. Okay, and there is a one screen. Okay, simple screen. Now what I'll do here, in the left side you will see here that layout option. Click on the layout and just drag it on the vertical arrangement and make that as fill and hide as fill. You can create here the login screen also. In the last tutorial we already have learned how to create a login screen. Okay, and here I'm going to start with the main screen, the course screen. Okay, now in the left side you see the user interface, and just drag and drop here the web view. So drag and drop it like this. Amazing. Now we're going to use here the AI tool. Okay, and I'm going to use here the DeepSeek, and I'm going to write a simple prompt here, and the prompt is give me the amazing view and display the 5 YouTube videos. Okay, you can add your course, so you don't need to upload your entire course video to the App Inventor app. You can upload them on the YouTube and you can use it. I need to embed that in the App Inventor web view. It's a course of 5 videos. Okay, and display like a course educational app. And I have just added here 5 videos and just click on enter. Now he will give me the code. Okay, that we need to use in a web view in App Inventor. Okay, now it generated the code. Now you can see this is the whole code. Now let's click on the download button. Go to the download files here. Okay, and here you will see that is the file. I need to rename it to something course.html. Okay, now go to the App Inventor here. In the right side, you will see here the option of media. Click on upload file, and we need to upload that HTML file. And that file name is course.html, and okay. Done. Now click on the web view. In the right side, you see the home URL. We just need to type here the http :// localhost / and our file name is course.html. That's it. Now what I'll do here, I'm going to just click on the refresh or AI companion and just copy this, use here that code and just paste it. And let's see how a course app will look. Fantastic. As you can see, this is the course app. Now, suppose I created a course for the App Inventor and I can see the one video here. I can play that video like this. Okay, and I can watch this. Once I have completed that, so I can click on the next button. You can see that on the bottom, you will see the next button. Click on this. And you can see the 20% course is completed. Fantastic. And automatically that is scrolled to the another video. I can play that video and I can watch it. Okay, and then again I can click on the next, and that will scroll to the another video, and just click on the next to complete your course. So this is the fantastic course app we created with the help of App Inventor and the AI tool. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.